Hello everybody, it's Brian Macdonald here at Inspections, Estimates, and Supplements. On my way to the next client's job, inspecting their roof for them. I wanted to put this video out and talk about how many folks that have come out and recognize that there is flaws with the supplementing system, and I am just thrilled to find out that there are more companies out there that are truly understanding that there are limitations with supplementing, and that they are actually supplementing before the repairs are scheduled. And that makes me feel fantastic. Why? Because they understand the value of pre-supplementing, basically, after they meet their adjuster and the field adjuster approves the coverage, whatever it may be, replacing the siding, repair the siding, do a repair on the shingles, apply coverage for half the roof or for a full replacement, whatever it may be. As long as the field adjuster applies coverage, that's what you want. Doesn't matter about fighting with the field adjuster when you're out there on an adjustment. All you have to do is just get that initial open door, what we call, and have them apply coverage. And then once they do that and they give you your initial estimate, Xactimate Estimate, you take that, you see what they have applied, and then you do a detailed inspection. Go back to the property, take photographs, hundreds of photographs of all of the damage that the adjuster either omitted or missed or just didn't know what to look for, because he or she, field adjuster or IA, may just be right out of the gate a week earlier from a class that they took online to become an adjuster. Now, I know some good adjusters out there, but the majority of adjusters nowadays don't have the experience that a lot of these veteran adjusters have. And those are the ones that I want to focus in on, the inexperienced adjusters, that it's not their fault, because they're just pawns in this insurance process game. So don't worry about fighting with the field adjuster. Just let them go about their business, let them get paid, close out the claim, cut the initial ACV check, and then you surgically dissect that initial estimate, and you back it up with your own estimate. And this is what I'm so pleased about. What I'm hearing is that there are a lot of contracting companies that are doing what I am talking about should be done before the repairs. Get your insurance coverage gains before the repair, because you have all of the leverage before the repairs. What I mean by leverage is that the insurance carrier wants to make sure that the claim retention with their policyholder is high, so that they get a good score when they close the claim and they audit the claims. Once the claims are done down the road, 6 months, a year down the road, they all get audited, if not all of them, and see what the claim retention score is. And when customers have a really bad experience going through the claim retention process, because that is the most can be the most irritating thing for a homeowner to go through claim process, and that insurance company wants to make sure that they do a good job. So by applying pressure and you also have to have your homeowner, your customer, on your side to believe in what you're doing for them, so that if you need to have the homeowner get involved with their claim and fight for their claim, they'll know what to do. And so 9 times out of 10, the insurance carrier will play ball. Now you're going to make sure that you present yourself, that you are going to make sure that you're willing to work with the carrier, and that you're just not able to work with them and give up some things to get what you want. Now, that is the key to this game. There are things that you are going to have to give up to play ball, so to speak. Put a baseball term to it. It's a give and take. And you send that insurance estimate of yours, Xactimate Estimate, to the inside adjuster. Not the field adjuster, the inside adjuster or desk adjuster, or some, like State Farm, they have their claim team, CAT team, 66 or 55, whatever it may be in your area. You send it to the inside adjusting firm. Now, the reason for that is that you are going to work with the inside desk adjuster, and with all of your documentation, you're going to be able to dissect their initial estimate compared with yours, with all of the missing items, line item by line item, and you're going to come to an agreement of what it really should take, because you also backing it up with photographs of the damages, anywhere from 100 to 300 photos, documentation, code documentation, all of that stuff. Now, and you're going to back that up with it, and then you're going to get all the way through the process. You're going to come to an agreement with the desk adjuster, and once they approve it to an increased gain insurance coverage, then you're going to request to release the depreciation, not only of the initial depreciation from the initial estimate that they wrote, but also the depreciation that you gained by talking to the inside desk adjuster. Why are you going to ask that? Because the work has been incurred, because your customer or my clients, they have already signed their contract with their customer. So in a sense, that means that it's been incurred. Okay? And they will release those funds to your customer, and my clients will be able to go and pick up those funds, and so that they can concentrate and get their labor lined up. They can concentrate on not having to finance their materials. They'll be able to use those funds that they picked up, because a lot of contractors, they finance their material cost and their labor costs, and they put it on a credit card. And we all know it, an average credit card charge is 3%. Hell, why do that? Why would you want to do that? You're not a bank. Are you going to get paid extra just for putting it on a credit card from the insurance company? Hell no. So please, just don't do that. I'm telling you, the best way to get what you want, and the fastest way to do it, is to send in your estimate, get gained insurance coverage before the repairs and not go the route of the traditional supplementing after the repairs. That so many contractors are still doing today. 85% of contractors are still doing this today. And I'm here to tell you that there are flaws with supplementing after the repairs. If you're just a regular contractor or a general contractor and you don't sign AOBs, you don't sign AOCs, you don't regularly hire a public adjuster, or you don't regularly hire a lawyer, I'm telling you, the best way for you to make money in 2019 is to do what I'm talking about. Give me a call, 678-910-1264. My email address is bmacdonald.ies@gmail.com. And I can help you make more money and make a higher net profit in 2019 by doing it my way. I promise. You have nothing to lose. I mean, unless you want to keep waiting 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months for your supplements to get approved. Now, give me a call.